ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ರಜೆಯಿಂದ ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ತುಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರ ಅಂದರೆ KEA, ನೌ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ 2 notifications. So both the notifications are not new for us, but they have released the new PDF, hence I am explaining this. Right, it is not new. Already I will show you, already it is given in the instruction, that is e-brochure. I think they are proving that they are not sleeping now. For that reason they have released these 2 notification. That 2 notification you can download it from this particular KEA website. Now I will show you 2 notifications. First one, instruction by option entry. So just you click on that particular case, and already I have downloaded. I will show you that. So it is given in both English and Kannada. Now you can see medical and dental courses instruction on option entry, it is there. So this particular page, it is clearly telling that now it is, remember, now only for MBBS and BDS counseling is going to happen. So this is not for any other courses other than these 2. So only for these 2 counseling is going to happen. So you can read this. Already I have done the video on option entry in detail, part 1, like that. That video I have given in the description box also, link. And the link you can see here also in the I button. Here one I button will be there. If you click on that, there also you can see. Because already whatever it is there, option entry by candidates, I have explained in detail. Whatever I have explained, the same thing it is given in the separate PDF. That is the only thing. So here you can see the candidates will be allowed to enter the options if she or she is eligible, which means, so what they are telling is, now in some time, which means today or tomorrow, they are going to give you, remember, document verification list, whether the document is verified or not. After that, remember, they will give you a verification slip with the secret key. After that, you have to go for option entry process. But before that, what they are telling is, you have to be ready with the college list. There is no limit for option entry. Already I have explained. A candidate should enter any number of options online after login of his choice college or courses. So or if he she or desires, remember, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. And one time option entry will be there, that also I have explained. And preparation work at home, which means what all the work you have to do it even in your home, which means ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ ದಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಂಟರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಂಟರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. Remember what all the types of seats will be there, that also I have explained. Classification of the seats, the same thing they have explained it here. You can see private seat, NRI seat, government in private seats, NRI seats, other seats, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You can go through that. See, MG, it will end up with MG, MP. In that option and classification of the seats, I have explained in detail. So please go through that. This is the one PDF, and that is the one PDF. These 2 newly released by KEA, only to prove that they are not sleeping. So other than this, there is nothing important in this. Actually, we needed that seat matrix, so that they have to release as soon as possible. And also verification of the documents, they have to do it, and they have to give the list of verified students as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.